Why are there not more people talking about why your Honda Civic's AC isn't working? Let's dive in. So, your Honda Civic's air conditioner isn't blowing cold air, huh? Don't sweat it. One possible culprit, the AC clutch. First up, let's talk about low refrigerant. If your AC system is low on refrigerant, the clutch won't engage. It's like trying to make a smoothie without any fruit. You need that refrigerant to keep things cool. Next, check the fuse. A blown fuse is a common issue. Think of it like a light switch. If the switch is off, the light won't turn on. Same with your AC clutch. Also, the AC clutch relay could be faulty. The relay is like a messenger. If it's not working, the message to turn on the clutch won't get through. No message, no cool air. Lastly, there might be an issue with the clutch itself. Over time, parts wear out. If the clutch is worn or damaged, it won't engage as it should. So, there you have it. Low refrigerant, blown fuse, faulty relay, or a worn-out clutch. These are the main reasons your Honda Civic's AC clutch might not be working. Now you know what to check. Stay cool and happy driving.